Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am making DIY using toothpicks. As you can see in the demonstration, I have made a basket using toothpicks with a hot glue gun. Just stick random toothpicks in the shape whichever you like. Here I have taken wool thread. By using this thread, I am going to make tassels. You can see in the demonstration how I am going to make these tassels. I have taken a cardboard. I am just wrapping around this wool thread. I am making here long tassel, so I have taken a length with respect to that. Just wrap around multiple times and cut the thread. Now with the help of thread again, we'll pull inside of the tassel rounds and then tie a knot at the top and take out the cardboard. Cut the thread from the bottom and make one more knot to tighten the tassel. Now exactly from the knot area, make two parts. Now the two parts will combine together by hiding the knot inside. Now with the help of wool again, I am making a wrap. Just see in the demonstration how I am making it. Now cut the thread. That thread should go from the circle and then you just pull that thread inside and it will be tightened there. And the tassel will be ready. Whatever the extra thread is there, just cut it out and the tassel is ready. To make it uniform, cut from the bottom. And here you can see the tassel is ready. Similarly, I have made more tassels with different colors also. As you can see, I have taken 3 types of colors. Now I'll make yarn braid. So each part I have taken 3 strings of wool. I have chosen a different color for this wool braid. Now to secure it, I am using here fabric glue. And here a yarn braid is ready. As you can see, I have sticked all the tassels. Now the demonstration part, how I am going to stick. Take a tassel, put some glue on the top and then stick around wherever equal spaces are possible. I have sticked these tassels one by one of each color. So here you can see I have taken first yellow, then green and then grey color. And the beautiful DIY is ready now. To hang this, I have used this yarn again. As you can see, I have taken it from the middle and it is hanged now. And it is looking so beautiful in the night view also. As you can see, this beautiful DIY is just ready in very low budget. If you want, you can add lightings in that. Even you can use this DIY as lamp also. If you like, give thumbs up. Thanks for watching.